Well, as you guys know it, here on Burning Gas, we're always dealing with awesome. So this one here is a pretty awesome one. This is how the boys left the gear when they left Friday. So we've got this wheel pretty much completely buried in the ground. We've got the track totally not even underneath the machine anymore. We got John coming in the heavy Dodge. We had to go do some shopping this morning, get some bars and some blocking and 8-ton bottle jack over there onto it. So we are gonna have some fun with this. Not really the ideal location to try to do a job like this. So now we just got to get John's take on the matter. John, could you just come assess how awesome the situation is, please? So our viewers can just take it from an operator's perspective.
Looks like the machine's down.
I don't know, I probably would have stopped before the track was completely off like that, but I don't know. Like that back wheel there, the bottom one.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good time. At least now we can clean out the tracks pretty good.
So today we get to put the track back on the New Holland.
Is there a tool bag?
John's just walking the tools out of the truck here. We got the new and modernized strap to keep her closed.
We just bought this at Canadian Tire.
Things are looking up. At least the skid steer's looking up. We got a nice blocking system here. So, if you've never done this before, this has to come back in order to do so. You gotta take this cover out, take the grease fitting out that's used to adjust this and drive it ahead. Probably the whole reason this track fell off to begin with. Machine's brand new. This cover's never ever been taken off. So the track's never been tightened up. But here we are. Do we got the right tools, John?
I bet you don't. Who's fucking texting me?
So in there you have a grease fitting. You want to take that right out. John, your hand's too fucking big.
Cut the hole bigger, would you?
Couple mosquitoes.
Should have got some torches.
Should have brought a bug light. One of the mosquito traps.
Yeah.
Getting tore to pieces here.
Danger zone.
So now that's out. Now we can put some pressure on this wheel and see if we can drive her back. $49.99. Hopefully she works.
Holy fuck.
Look at that fancy handle.
Have to weld that together.
So with an excavator you can use your boom to shove that back, but not so much with this fella.
Hold my wood, Shane! Probably take this back, doesn't work. It's like the one on the shelf. Holy fuck.
Not many mosquitoes.
Use all the proper tools. Well, ain't looking fucking good, is it?
Is there any oil in it? Probably gotta fill it with oil. Oh, that's the good stuff there.
That's grease. Tyson.
What was step one, John?
Fuck off.
All right. Trying to get this slid under and get it hooked in the top wheel first. And we'll pry it on there, but this son of a bitch weighs like, what, 500-600 pounds, John?
50 pounds.
50 pounds.
Nothing to it. Now I just slip it on.
We're almost there. It's the easy part, this part.
Might be able to roll it right on, really.
Right?
Yeah. Watch your face. You wouldn't mind slipping that on, would you?
Try getting down here onto it.
Oh.
You wouldn't mind slipping that on, would you?
Just hold on now.
If we had a sledgehammer.
Go up one.
I don't know if I can get it in there.
That's what she said. Keep doing that and watch your face.
I'm gonna get this track up more here in the center. Slip that on, would you?
Yeah. One of these times. All right.
You use your bar to lift and let me try to pry. Or are you just going to try to roll it on?
I'm gonna roll it on.
All right, pick it up higher.
Work smarter, not harder. You should just be able to roll it right on. I'll put it in the other controls.
Get any grease with us?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woohoo!
Try going the other way, I think.
Ready?
Try going the other opposite way you just did, yeah. One more. Yeah. We got her. We got her, Bob.
Good.
Oh, yeah. And that's how the boys do it, right there. Now, just got to put her fitting back in, pump her up with grease, draw her up, and this shows on the road.
Call the operators back.
John and Shane, track masters again. Last time we went through this bullshit, the phone got ran over and smashed and we lost all the footage, so this time we got her. Well, track's back on, tightened up. All you do is just put your fitting back in, pump the grease to her, get these back out. You want a fair bit of tension on these rubber tracks because they're really heavy, but you don't want them singing tight. It should have a little spring when you step on it. That is her.